Okay, we're going to finish up with what's called the common logarithmic function and the natural logarithmic function, and look at some of these properties that go along with those also. The common logarithmic function is basically just a logarithmic function that has a base of 10. So we have f of x equals log base 10 of x. We write it as f of x equals log of x. We don't usually write the 10. It's understood if you do not see a base that you have a log of base 10. Okay, then your natural log function is a logarithmic function that has a base of e. So if we were to have the function f of x equals log base e of x, instead of writing it this way, we call it the natural log, and the symbol for that is ln. So whenever you see a logarithmic function like this, that just means you have a log that has a base of e. Now the properties that we talked about in the previous video also apply to the common log of base 10 and to your natural log with the base of e. So here are some problems that you may see on the homework dealing with these. If it says log of 1000, okay, that means automatically that I have a base of 10. So I'm asking myself 10 to what power would equal 1000? And so we know that 10 to the third power would equal 1000. So that would equal to 3. Okay, log base 10 of 10 to the 7th. Okay, this goes back to where my base is the same as my argument, so that's just going to equal your exponent. That would just be 7. Okay, I have the natural log of e to the 9th. Okay, think about what this actually means. Just having the natural log there means that you have a log of base e, and then it's of e to the 9th. So what happens, what does our property tell us? If the base is the same as the argument, that is just going to equal to the exponent. So this would just be 9. So we typically will say, and you'll see later on in the chapter that I'll say if you have natural log of e, that those just cancel each other out. Okay, but this is why. So if I have natural log of e, what is my understood exponent? Okay, it's a 1. We had a 9 here, but it's a 1, so that would just be 1. And then I have natural log of 1. Remember we said anytime the argument is 1, that the logarithmic function would just equal 0. And that also applies here with your natural log.